Here I am in the beautiful neighborhood of Beverly Shores in downtown Orlando, Florida. I have a new listing here that's from 1948. It's a 2-bedroom home. Now the homeowners have kept all the charm from the 40s, but have brought it into this century with some great updates and some cool technology. Let's check it out. The first thing we want to highlight is the big three, the AC, roof, and water heater. The AC unit was replaced in 2014, the roof was replaced in 2018, and they recently added a tankless water heater only 6 months ago. Oh, and they also added solar panels by the same company that powers the Apple headquarters in California. Legit. Before we walk through this historic home, let's talk tech. Wi-Fi enabled solar panels. They said it runs the house at pretty much 100% all year. Wi-Fi irrigation throughout the entire property, smart light bulbs throughout the home, Wi-Fi enabled garage door, Wi-Fi thermostat, brand new driveway gate that is solar powered, and a plug for your electric car. The entryway is an awesome space right when you walk in. The previous owner used it as a sitting room and an office, and these homeowners use it as a workout room, and they added an AC vent to keep it cool. Right when you walk into the home, you'll immediately love the original hardwood floors and stunning original wood-burning fireplace. So much charm and beauty. Now let's head into the dining room, which features a lovely fixture and plenty of space to entertain. Off the dining room is a fully updated kitchen featuring custom cabinets, granite countertops, beadboard along the wall, and updated appliances. One of my favorite features is the peek through into the family room. It features a custom wood bar on the other side. The family room is a great size and is open to the entire home and also has some custom bookshelves. The bathroom has a brand new vanity and new light fixtures, and I love that the owners kept the original medicine cabinet to keep all of its character. Both bedrooms are a good size and have a lot of closet space, which is actually made from the original cedar wood. Now let's go outside. Wow, it's huge. You have a freshly stained, fully fenced yard, and the owners just paved a brand new driveway with a solar powered gate that goes to both the garage and the carport. It is beautifully landscaped with an orange tree, 2 rosemary bushes, jalapeno pepper trees, and a grapevine. It also has a custom brick fire pit and a shed for storage. This house, you can walk to Mead Park, Orlando Shakespeare, and you're a 10-minute Uber ride to Winter Park, Amway Center, Lake Eola, and much more. This home is ready for its new owners to take pride in all the history and yet enjoy all the updates. So if you want to set up a showing or a virtual showing, message me, Mark Raumaker, the Real Estate Ninja with the Home Squad brokered by eXp Realty, and I'll set it all up. Thanks for watching, guys.